Hey, it's Sam. Here's why I should be your theme park tester. Firstly, I absolutely love rides, they are my life. When I was 9, I did Kraken 8 times in a row, and it didn't bother me one bit. Even the staff commented on how cool that was. But things like Falcon's Fury, that's going to scare me a little bit, but I'd be willing to give it a go, and you'd get some hilarious video footage, probably of me screaming. Now things like shows and character meets and parades, I really love to do. I can get some cracking photos of them, and I love to take nice videos of them and give some awesome reviews. Now, I've not been to all the Florida theme parks before, so everything that I do won't be based off the previous time that I went. I've not got a bias there, which people really love at the minute. They're after a really nice and honest review, which is something that I could definitely give. I'm also an honest person, I'm really approachable, and I've got an awesome sense of humour. Plus, I'm willing to give anything a go once, maybe twice or 3 times, especially when it comes to theme park snacks, because I really do love them.